and so I wanted to give you a quick room tour before we go to the pool. So we'll go to the bathroom last. So you open up the closet. It's just a bunch of hangers and life jackets up there, which you will see the video on the TV. It tells you about it. More hangers, your laundry bag, your sink, some storage, and you can store your luggages in there. And also, this is like a standard room, I think, but it is something special. We got these nice drawers, some cups. These drawers come out together for some reason. It's like they're together. And then, yeah, the other ones just have storage. And these have storage. And, oh, I forgot something. This says, Mr. and Mrs. Walt Disney on deck. 1934. That was when I made the ship. When they were making it. I think they were finished. And then Pirates of the Caribbean, character sketch by artist Mark Davis, 1965 in Disneyland. More storage up there. And then you have the bed. And we got these lanyards because we're silver. You can put your key of the world card, or you can use your magic band. And we have two more just for the effect. And we have a castaway bag. Oh, and it even has the little Disney Cruise logo on the zip. And we have that. And this is a nice beach bag that you can use which have little Mickeys around it.
Hey, turn the light on.
And that's your light.
So what's on the lampshade?
Oh, it's the world, and then it has the castles and the Disney cruises. I think where like they usually go to. I think a trash can right there, some storage. This was on our door, but room occupied. And then in my area, there's the same thing but with your telephone over there. And this, in case your kids want to take privacy or you. But that's nice. I don't know how to show that well. Then you have the TV, which it's going on right now. And that's the safety video. Some more storage there. The remote should be there. The refrigerator. We already bought that for ourselves. And I'm excited to try it. And this is a sweatshirt. We have this. It does not come with the sweatshirt. The Mickeys and these lights, which turn on like that. Let's turn it off.
Welcome aboard the Disney Wonder. Thank you for taking a moment to review some important safety information.
More
This afternoon's
storage.
mandatory
On this one, I
emergency drill does
think it
not
has
require you to wear
your
your life
hair
jacket.
dryer.
However, your participation is
Hand
very
tools.
important, and we need your help and cooperation in
Card.
watching this video
More
to
storage
ensure
over
that your
there.
voyage is as safe
More
as
storage.
possible.
And
During
this
video,
pulls
we
out
will
into a
demonstrate
bed.
proper
So.
method for donning your life jacket, as well as supplying general safety tips to follow while on board.
Yeah. Kind of hard to open up. We have here a veranda. It's small because we've got a standard lamp and a light in case of fire, I think. And that is the safety. Two nice chairs, a table. Bring out coffee from Cabanas because we don't have a coffee machine. And that's okay. And we're in San Diego. And the water, you can see, is very crystal clear. And we have like a little roof thing, which is nice. Now,
It'll be nice if it rains.
yeah. Oh, and the boats are going out. And that's where we're going to be staying, that hotel over there. These are like, there's an airport right there, so some planes leaving and coming. Some pirate boats. And here's a cool shop. Okay, so there is this, they couldn't paint, so they were thinking of painting the ship like a black because of Mickey's colors. But then they couldn't because that meant it was one of those pirate ships. And I didn't want people to think, and I couldn't do it because of the wall, and there's a tourist boat right there watching us. And then there was a girl named Monica. She came in with a blue sweater, and it was really dark. So they decided, and they thought, oh, that's the color we're going to use. Because from far away, it looks really black. And so they named the color Monica Blue from Monica. Now, onto the bathroom. We go past here.
Very important emergency drill for all.
Let's go. Oh, this is a toilet light. You can turn it on and off. Mickey towels. Pretty simple. Oh, facial soap.
This is called a split bathroom.
Yeah. You got sea salt body wash, sea marine conditioner, and sea marine shampoo. A tub for little kids, of course. And then you have a closet. Oh, and well, you can turn off all the lights. Okay, this is very. Oh, okay. So this is your bathroom. Sea salt hand soap. We have this, and these, and like shirt.
You can put that down. That's like if you have needles for diabetes. Just leave it.
Okay, shirt tape, trap, in case you have diabetes. Some water you can. A shaver.
That's an old-fashioned hairdryer.
Oh, an old-fashioned hairdryer. You should shave. Some storage. This has Steamboat Willie on it.
So cute.
And yeah. So bye guys. See you next time.